Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Myself Arun, and today in this video we are going to provide a walkthrough of this forecasting template that we have created for one of our client. It's a home loan repayment calculator with forecasting, keeping in parameters of the salary and the total income, and then the forecasting for 30 to 40 years. Now here, this is a simple home loan repayment calculator, which takes the value from this tab to the current state forecasting tab. Now, here we have the loan amount. This is the input value, then the annual interest rate, then the loan period in years, and start date of loan. So these are the input variables. So we have taken initially 5 lakhs for the amount, and rate of interest is 6.5. Then period is, we have given 25. Then the start date of loan is today's date. Now the monthly payment, it's automatically gets calculated. We have used an Excel formula. Let me show you how it's calculated. So we have used minus P and P, the rate divided by 12 for monthly, then the number of payments. So the number of payments will be E9, and then the loan amount. So as we can see, 3376.04. Now it's automatically gets calculated from this one. Now the total interest we achieve here, this one, and the total cost of the loan is here. So they all are, we have used formulas to calculate the whole interest and the cost. Now, this is the payment scheduler. We have the payment date, beginning balance, then the payment principal, interest, and ending balance. So this is on the reducing balance. Now we have highlighted the 12th payment. So this is 12th month. So it's completed as 1 year, then again 24, then 36, and so on till it's get to 0. So as we can see, we have provided 300 here in the number of payments here. So it takes 300 up to 300 values. So here it will go on to 0. Now, based on these values, we have created a forecasting starting from July 24, then July 25, 26, and so on till 55. Now here we have the income variables, the inflow, where the salary, other income, which is taxable, and this is the other income for non-taxable, then interest, childhood support. So all these are income variables. Now we have a rate of taxable slab is provided here. So we can use this one. So we have taken this one into consideration for the taxable income. So the taxable income is 0 to 18 to 00, which becomes nil tax on the income. And so after going each wise, so you've created a formula here for this tax calculation. So this is for the income part. And then similarly for this is the outflow part, expenditure. So this is the tax, as I mentioned here in the slab. So this is computed using that slab, which I've shown you here. So this is the tax part, then the household rent, and these are the home loan repayments. And then This is the property expenses, personal counts, children expenses. So all these are expenses. This one is the savings and then holidays. There is a total outflow. Now the net cash flow is deriving by total inflow. This minus this, that is this minus this, total inflow minus total outflow. Then we have the personal assets, that's cash and investment, portfolio investments, then savings, and vehicles and other. So this one is a personal assets. So we have created, a detailed way of forecasting these values for each and every variable in detailed manner. These are our super assets and then total super assets, where we have taken starting balance, employer counts, and tax, growth tax, income tax. Then this one is the final, which we have the net assets. So here in this sheet, we have covered all the formulas. So all they are automated, and based on this taxable slab. This one is creating a tax schedule, and then we have the impact for future value and present value for household values, annuity, and pension here. And we have the variables also. So this is the table where we have defined our variables, just like investment growth, income, inflation, depreciation, and all such on. Then we have the property table here. So this is calculated by using this plus this. So initially we have taken the loan for 5 lakhs, and then we have PP here. This is derived present value, and this is only the future value. And we have the investment profiles as well. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and this is, a template which I have created for one of my client. It was an Australian. So if you require certain kind of template or any customizations with your own tax slabs or a loan repayment scheduler, so you can just reach me out, and I will be sharing you my details in the description part of this video. So you can just reach me out for this file, as well as if you have something to have work on. So you can just reach me out, and have a wonderful day. Thank you. And thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Take care.